Hello everyone, this is Spooky V, the last video with Spooky V. So today is the grand reveal of these embellishment books. I'm making some bag toppers. I already pre-cut and also glued the spider web on. The spider web die is from In Love Art Shop. I will have it linked below if I can find it. Hopefully I can do that. So I'm preparing the pastel-o-ween bag topper here, so deciding what I need to use, and I already have something figured out, but I'm still not too sure about the haunted house. So thinking about using this haunted house from Dollar Tree, and that's the black one, and I end up using it on the pastel-o-ween after all. So gonna take off the back, sticky back on that, and use some hot glue. If you hear background noise, rain, it's been raining here in California and it is just pouring down. I apologize. I also did some stitching as well using a hot pink thread for the witch and the cat. For the jack-o'-lantern, I did use a neon orange. I'm also using some hot glue to glue all these pieces on. I did not want to make the bag topper too chunky because it needs to be attached to the book, and the book is already, or the embellishment book is already way too chunky, and I did not want to damage the book because it was just too much. I craft too layered, and that's why I made last year I made those huge embellishment books and they still didn't fit my embellishments because I just I put layers upon layers upon layers upon layers. So here I am using some sticky foam, and I'm using the white because the black is out of range. So I'm using the white, which I don't like to do for Halloween. I don't like to do it, but I'm really lazy these last few videos because of time. I don't have any time, and I struggled this week with my videos. As you can tell, they were both late, and so yeah, I apologize for that. And well, let's move forward. So I'm done with the pastel-o-ween bag topper. Added the wood piece. That one is a spider piece from Dollar Tree as well. The traditional bag topper, I'm gonna do almost the same thing, just with different ephemera pieces. The traditional embellishment book is bits and pieces from different collections here and there, just oddball pieces. I had trouble with my ephemera, and when I did get it, it wasn't the right one, and so again, to order it, it would have taken some time, and I would only be able to use a few pieces at the end. So I decided just to put together all of my pieces that I had. I had Spooky by Pebbles. I had Hey Pumpkin. I also had Boo Crew. So I just put them all together, and out came this. So yeah, I'm gonna add that ghost behind the jack-o'-lantern. All the pieces are stitched as well. Decided to add foam to the ghost. So I thought it needed something on the left-hand side, so I decided I put that crow. So that's for Michael's. Okay, so time to add some goodies to the pockets of these pages. I'm adding these stickers from Joann's that I picked up. And they're the puffy gel glitter stickers, adding the bag topper to that to cover it. And gonna glue the back of the bag topper to the package of those stickers. And so I leave the front part unglued so I could cover the front page of the pocket. Okay, so these skeleton hand clips I picked up from Amazon. They're called hair clips on Amazon, and I just picked some of those up. And then the spiders from Dollar Tree from last year. I'm adding the spider because I don't have a witch hat, and so the spider gets put at the backity back. And I'm just gonna adjust that there, and I'm liking how it looks so far. So I'm gonna add this die that I picked up from Amazon as well. It's a cat head shaker die, and it's not a new die, it's been around. So but I had picked it up, I wanted to use it for this video, and so I decided to add it as a goodie to this embellishment book. Adding these bows that I picked up from Sparkling Ghouls shop. I will have her link below. So look at that, you guys. I love how chunky it is. I love all the layers on the top as well. And I think it just makes the embellishment book. I'm adding these celebrated picks as well, and these recollection stickers. I did open those stickers, so if you do get it, I think they're ephemera pieces. No, they're ephemera pieces. So I did open them just to look at it. So ready to embellish the pastel-o-ween embellishment book. I'm adding these stickers as well from Joanne. They're the pastel-o-ween stickers, adding the back topper the same way I did the traditional, so everything's the same. I love these stickers. They're filled with gel and glitter, and I think they go so good with the pastel-o-ween embellishment book. Oh, look at how it looks. So I love the layers on the top, everything sticking out. Here is the witch hat headband that I like to add to embellishment books. Well, the Halloween ones. Using these clips from Joann's as well. I love these gold clips. Using it to secure that band there. And I think the hat just makes the book. And adding this die from Amazon as well. It's a shaker bottle die. So I will add it to the pocket. I'm going to add a bow as well as that hair clip skeleton hand. And yeah, just very simple. I could have had a bag topper as well, but I think it was just too much going on. Usually I do like too much going on, but yeah, I didn't want to damage the books. So look at that. So much to look at. There's so many pieces just to draw your eye in. I'm going to add these pink pumpkin crochets. They're made by my mom, and I want to add them as a goodie to these books. And yeah, she's been helping me crochet lately. If you've been following me, I do crochet as well, but I have no time to do it, so she has taken that role for me. And so I love those. They're so cute. The pastel-o-ween and in pink and black, and I love it. So adding it to the pocket, adding a clip, and ta-da! I love it. Look at all the layers, you guys. I love all the layers on the top, on the sides, and the front. I love it. And the chunkiness, I love that it doesn't close. As soon as you guys start pulling things out, then it'll start to close. So right now, it's chunky. So you guys, this is a giveaway. If you want to enter this giveaway, all you have to do is say you like the pastel-o-ween, or you like her traditional book, or you like both. So you'll be entered for either or you'll be entered for both. So if you like both, put both. If you don't, then just add one. And so I'm just about finished here. Just gonna do a flip through showing you everything. And so again, this is open to US only. My apologies. I know Overseas, if you want to enter a giveaway for overseas, go to my Instagram. There will be one there very soon. And these books are just too heavy to be shipped overseas, but the other Instagram are not as heavy. Okay, so US only, like this video, be a subscriber. I must, if you win and I go to your page and see if you follow me, it has to be open. I need to see your subscribers. I need to see that I'm there and you're following, because I want someone who's following me and has been commenting and following me and supporting me to win. And so be following me, please. And just know that I do offer giveaways from time to time. And it's been a while, so this giveaway has been finally here. Finally here. So I thank you so much, everyone. This is just a thank you for your support in this series and for liking and commenting and just supporting me. It means so much to me. It just makes me want to keep going, keep making things, and keep inspiring and teaching as well. And also commenting, being friends with you guys, and getting to know you. So I appreciate you so much. So those are the extras that are going into the traditional. Well, you guys, this concludes the video, and may the odds be with you. Bye.